Today we are going to talk about discounting. So that's my week. Little snippet for today is it's all about discounting. Now we love this. I love discounting, specifically if I'm on the buyer side of it, because I always get good deals. Anyway, but for businesses, it's also great. There are a lot of advantages for businesses to give discounts. You know, it boosts your sales. You can launch new products. You can talk to your clients. You can you can get new clients through discounts. You can get additional cash in. You can make use of limited time offers, get repeating business in. So discounting is really very advertised. There's a lot more as well. Now, unfortunately, with everything in business, there's also disadvantages to discounts. And a few of them would be you sometimes can undervaluate your product. You sometimes can get the wrong customers to buy a product if it's all about pricing as well. You can sometimes undermine your current loyal customers. For instance, like I went, I'm at a gym. I'm paying $10 a week, but I just realized I've been there for 2 weeks, and then other people get a special of $3 a week for the next 12 months because they knew it. If you're going to give a discount on something, you're going to make a lot less profit on that thing. But anyway, that's how discounts work. So the whole idea about discounts, we hope to sell more. Now, I've actually brought in a little friend here today for our video. It is called Your Number Man Shaver. All right, it says Philips there, but forget about Philips. It's actually YNM. It's Your Number Man Shaver. Now, it's a great little shaver. It does everything. It follows my contours great over my head. It goes the sides, down, up, everywhere. It slips over. Anyway, I'm going to put this on the market for $100. All right. What do you reckon? A great idea. Okay. And it only cost me $60 to make. So I'm going to make $40 on it. So that gives me a margin of 40%, which is my $40 over my price is 40% margin. That is great. And I reckon I will be able to sell 1,000 of them in the next year. So I'm going to get a sales of about 100,000, if not about, I'm going to make 100,000 in sales. It's going to cost me $60,000 to produce, and I'm going to make 40,000 profit on it. And I'm talking about gross profit now. Let's keep overheads out of this equation right now. So that means that is my 40% profit that I'm going to make. I think it's going to be pretty tough, but do I want to make 40,000 profit, or perhaps do I want to make more? Well, perhaps I should make more. How do I make more? Well, I got to sell more. All right. How do I sell more products? I can always go and lower my price, give a bit of a discount. All right. So what if I decide I'm going to put this shaver in the market for $90? That means I give a 10% discount. I bring the price down from $100 to $90. It's still going to cost me $60. And now I'm making $30 per unit that I sell, as opposed to previously $40. Okay, so my profit margin goes down to $33. 33%. Oh, I reckon, okay, it's low profit margin, but I'm going to sell a lot more because it's going to sell like hotcakes if people can get a shave for 10% discount. And then I start thinking about it, but is it really, perhaps I should do a few numbers. So what would it work out? What if I sell this for $90 and I'm making $30 on it, but I want to make the same profits? How much more shavers do I need to sell to get the same profit margin, to get the same profit, not a profit margin, to get the same profit? That means perhaps it's 10% because, 10% more sales because I'm getting 10% discount. Perhaps it's more, perhaps it's 15, perhaps 20. So I actually went to go and work it out. As a matter of fact, I have to sell 33% more in units if I give a 10% discount. So a 10% discount, you've got to get 3 times the amount that you got to sell more as well. So that means I got to sell 1,333 units at a price of $90 to get the same profit of 40,000, which I can do with $100. All right. So now I'm starting to question myself. Is it really worth it? Is discounts really working if that is the matter? Because it's going to take me, first of all, I've got to lower the prices. So I've got to sell more. I've got to sell 30% more of this. And it's also going to cost me a lot more going changing my advertising, my social media. I've got to talk to salespeople. I've got to perhaps talk to retail shops as well if I put it for retail shops. So we always got to ask that question: is discounting really worth it? And how much do I really need to sell to make a really profound increase in my profit for something? Now, we know that discounting works because everybody does it. I've done it before. All my customers has done. We know it works. But what is important is we have to do the numbers. It's very important. It's like, as our blokes with a little bit of facial hair in there, you got to shave every day. That's right. You got to do it. You got to brush your teeth every day. You have to do your numbers when you are doing your discounts. And that is what I basically just want to try and bring out today, how important it is and how discounts can sometimes, all right, it's going to increase your sales quite dramatically, but that profit, is it really worth it? Anyway, so that is me just talking about that at this stage. And I'm basically, before wrapping up, take note of that, but it's also something else that I would just want to throw in here. If you want to learn more about discounting and other aspects of your business that can have a big influence on your pricing, have a look at the product that I've launched about a month ago. It is called Mastering Your Pricing. It's a great video where I took you through all the aspects of how did you base your pricing on cost, the value that you can add, the effects that stuff like discounting might have on it, and there's a lot of interactive templates on it as well, which you can put in your own details. All right, so have a look. All the details for that is below. Please click on the link and it will take you straight to the sales page for that. And that is me for today. I am wrapping up, and I'll better get back to my shaving and go and try and sell that shaver perhaps. All right, I will see you soon. Cheers. Bye.